Hello, what is up guys? Simon from Peso Smart Page here and welcome sa panibagong episode. So today, discuss lang natin yung mga mangyayari, ano yung mga possibilities and what's next for the Philippine Stock Market. So bago yan, check muna natin yung news last week. So ito yung mga articles na binasa ko and nakita ko nung Friday. So March 13 yun. Actually ito Monday na pala to na announce kahapon to bale. Kasi yun shinorte na ng PSE yung trading hours since yung Metro Manila is magkakaroon na ng curfew. So yeah, the Philippine Stock Exchange has agreed to shorten its daily trading session during the month-long lockdown of Metro Manila to contain the coronavirus pandemic. So that's from March 16 to April 14. Then, yan, isa pang article. Same lang siya basically. So from 9 AM lang to 1 PM nag-trade yesterday. Then ito yung tweet ng PSE mismo. So 9 pre-open, 9:30 market open, then pre-close na ng 12:45, 12:50 run off trading at last, and then 1 PM close na yung market. Then binago nila dapat ngayon March 17 to April 14. Ayun, binago yung time. So mas maaga siya mag-open. 9 AM siya mag-open. And then 8:30 yung pre-open and then the rest is same lang. So, some more news. Naklik ko agad. So yeah, ito March, nung Friday pa to na publish. So PSEI rebounds 1.005% after market bloodbath. Then yan, run through lang natin. Share prices on the Philippine Stock Exchange saw a recovery on Friday as investors took advantage of cheaper stocks after the market saw its worst drop since the global financial crisis due to COVID-19 scare. Then yeah, sabi dito, the local market rebounded backed by bargain hunting and support from the government. This came after the PSEI dipped below 5,100 level during intraday, which triggered the second circuit breaker for this week amid the COVID-19 pandemic fears. Then yun, nag-halt ng trading for 15 minutes during the morning session. Then nag-assume siya nung 9:50 after the PSEI's drop of 10.43% triggered a circuit breaker. Sobrang laking drop nun. Grabe. Then, nung Friday din to, the circuit breaker has been triggered 3 times now since 2008. But the circuit breaker can only be triggered once a day. Damn. Then, and moreover, the instruction of Finance Secretary Sonny Dominguez to the GSIS and SSS to take advantage of the stock's bargain prices lifted investor sentiment, pushing them to pick up more stocks, which seen in the strong value turnover of 10.71 billion pesos, the second highest for this year. Then, in order niya ng secretary, state pension funds, SSS, and government, GSIS to ramp up investment in the stock market to provide support after almost 1 trillion pesos were wiped out from the local pores due to COVID-19 scare. Then yung foreign funds bought 4.567 billion shares and sold 6.209 billion for a net selling position of 1.641 billion pesos. Then lastly, more than 950.234 million shares valued at 10.270 billion changed hands. Decliners led advancers 139287 and 36 issues were unchanged. So yun yung mga stocks na nag-decline and medyo tumaas. Okay, so tingnan natin yung state ng market today. It's 10:24 na, nag-close siya at 5,793.94 last Friday, that's March 13. Then today, nasa 5495.04 siya. So minus 5% from Friday. Pero magbabago pa naman yan and makikita natin. So yan. Kita nyo naman yung graph. So bumaba siya, sobrang bumagsak. Then tumataas ng konti, tumataas ulit. Then biglang bumabagsak ulit. Siyempre maraming nagsisell ngayon. Maraming natatakot na baka hindi safe yung investments sila. But yeah. So today, nasa minus 3,160 na tayo. Pero unrealized naman yun, so hindi siya masyado mahalaga. And then more news. Coronavirus pushes Philippine shares deeper into bear territory. As expected, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index falls by 7.9% yesterday, Monday, March 16, as Metro Manila businesses shut down. Then yan. Nag-close siya yesterday at 5,335. 7.9% lower than the figure on Friday. Kasi yun, nag-shorten na yung trading hours. Then sabi dito ni Luis Limlingan, with the number of cases rising, the country has added measures for more social distancing. This, however, would imply that growth would be cut as establishments would realize less business as a result. Siyempre, yung priority dapat natin is yung health natin and nung tao around us. Siyempre, hindi lang natin pwede sabihin na wala naman akong symptoms, pwede akong lumabas, pwede akong gawin yung gusto ko. Pero yeah, hindi yun yung case kasi kung di ka pa natetest, hindi mo naman alam, baka meron ka na. Hindi lang lumalabas yung symptoms and medyo malakas naman yung immune system mo. So, pwedeng carrier ka lang. So, makakahawa ka pa. And yeah, that's not good. Then yeah, syempre, decliners trumped advancers, blah 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 blah. Okay, same lang to. And then ito, yung malaking news, sinabi din last night na yung Philippine Stock Market will be shutting down starting today until further notice. So the Philippine Stock Exchange is shutting down trading starting Tuesday, March 17 until further notice. This is in line with President Rodrigo Duterte's order widening the ongoing community quarantine to the entire Luzon Island and not just Metro Manila. The lockdown is intended to contain the coronavirus pandemic. The PSE's decision to shut down the stock market is to ensure the safety of employees and traders in light of the escalating cases of coronavirus disease. Sabi to ni Ramon Monzon, yung president ng PSE. Okay, so time check tayo, 5:23 AM na. It's Tuesday na rin, March 17. So nag-close kahapon yung Philippine Stock Market at 5,335.37 points. Yun yung PSEI. So yeah, sobrang nag-plummet na siya. Talagang hindi na siya ma-contain. And yun, hindi ko makita account balances ko, so hindi ko alam kung how much yung nawala sa akin within one day, so yesterday. And yeah, yun nga, since wala nang trading starting today, let's see na lang kung ano mangyayari, kung ano ba yung mga further developments sa market. So okay, since nag-shutdown na nga yung trading, ano nga ba yung mga pwede natin gawin ngayon? Well, once the market is open again, I think you should go for it. Kasi a lot of good dividend paying stocks are cheap right now. And I think magandang bumili ng mga dividend stocks if it's on a bargain. Ang problema lang dito is hindi magagaranti na magbibigay ng dividends yung businesses. Lalo na kapag yun na, diba, yung mga malls, diba, nagsara sila. May mga stocks yun, like may part sila nung, for example, SM, diba? Part yun ng business sila. So, medyo maapektuhan yun. So, hindi tayo sigurado kung magbabayad ba silang dividends. Pero, it's good pa rin naman. I think maganda na rin i-consider yung mga growth stocks, yung mga blue chip stocks. Like katulad ng Maxis, Jollibee, Cebu. Yung Cebu, dividend paying din siya and medyo mataas yung yield. Pero Medyo blue chip din siya eh. And then ano pa ba? I think Mega World, Emperador, and Petron. Petron maganda rin yung dividend yield, nasa 4% na I think. I'm not 100% sure pero yeah. Then almost, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, almost all of the blue chip or growth stocks are also cheap at the moment. Lahat naman yan eh. Kahit ano pa yan. Hindi lang naapektuhan talaga is yung mga preferred stocks. Kasi fixed naman yung dividends nila. So, hindi siya highly traded. So, hindi siya babagsak, hindi siya sobrang tataas. And, of course, ito yung mahalaga dito. Make sure that you're only investing money that you don't need. Kasi lalo na nga ngayon. Hindi tayo sure. Merong iba sa atin na pag hindi nagtrabaho, hindi sila mababayaran, di ba? So, yeah. Kung iti-take advantage nyo tong opportunity na to, pag nag-continue na yung trading ulit sa stock market, dapat yung extra money nyo lang yung ilalagay nyo dito para, you know, hindi kayo mahirapan or hindi kayo magipit. And of course, remember that your health and essential needs should be your priority. Hindi yung pagbili ng sabihin nila dirt cheap stocks. Kasi anin mo investments mo, anin mo yung pera kung hindi ka naman okay, diba? Or yung people around you are not okay. And of course, yun, sobrang halaga ng emergency fund just in case you or your family member needs medical attention. Hopefully, this won't happen, but you'll never know for sure and it's best to be ready and prepared. Ayan. And syempre, yung government naman is like, they're gonna help do sa treatment, I think. I'm not 100% sure then kung ganun ba yung mangyayari. I'm not sure kung magpapatest ka, magbabayad ka ba or not. I haven't really read anything about that particularly, so I can't say for sure. Pero yun, kung yun kailangan ng treatment, kailangan mong i-isolate kung saan man, and kung kailangan mong bayad yun, kailangan mo ng emergency fund. Kaya ako lagi nire-reiterate yun sa mga videos ko before and yeah, sa ibang episodes ng podcast na yun, mahalaga yung emergency fund talaga. Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga mangyayari. And then, ito, reminder to buy slowly. No one can tell how low the stock market will plummet. So, don't rush into things like buying 1 million shares of a single company. Yan, hindi siya ideal. I think, yung mga stocks na parang nangalhati na yung price. Like, for example, yung kina-compare ko, yung Maxis, nag-start siya at like 11 pesos nitong 2020, January 2020. And then ngayon nasa 4-ish pesos na lang siya. So sobrang undervalued na niya. But yeah, we'll see. And then yung mga sources ko, ano yan, Rappler, Inquirer, GMA7 News. Lalagay ko lang yan sa description sa baba para you can read them as well. And this is going to be it for this episode. Hope you guys liked it. And don't forget to like and share na rin this video. Nakakatulong yan sa algorithm ng YouTube para mas marami pang makapanood nung content ko. So yeah, thanks. And don't forget to subscribe na rin and ring the notification bell. So yun. Stay safe everyone, and I think dapat like yun nga, stay at home as much as possible if you can. Kung talagang kailangan lumabas, yun, tsaka lang. And yun, wag natin gamitin tong oras na to para like gumala or may pagkita sa mga tropa. Kasi yeah, delikado. Isipin natin yung mga potential na pwede natin mahawaan kung if ever lang na hindi mo alam na meron ka, di ba? Career ka lang. And then, yun, yung mga nahawaan ka sa nung lumabas ka na, for example, matatanda pa, di ba? That's not really good. And yeah, syempre, maging empathetic tayo dun sa mga ibang tao na, di ba, may nakita akong mga post sa Facebook na sinasabi nila wala daw disiplina, bakit daw nasa labas, bakit daw ang daming tao sa sa road. Kasi yung mga taong yun kailangan nilang pumasok sa trabaho para kumita, di ba? Kasi hindi naman tayo para-paraw ng circumstances eh. Hindi tayo lahat merong savings, merong emergency fund para makasurvive for 1 month without working. So yeah, let's be empathetic lang and help each other out as much as we can. Yeah, thanks very much guys. I'll see you guys in the next one, and remember, be peso smart.